All right, we're cleaning a little carpet today, and it's not really a dirty carpet. It's a nice carpet.
It's slightly soiled. Nothing to be. We told the homeowner there's nothing to be embarrassed about on this one. Not compared to what we typically mess around with.
And we're doing this as the microfiber pad we're using, so it's going to be a good scrub. It's got scrub strips on it, so it scrubs the carpet fibers really good, and it's very absorbent. This is a thick one. It's about 1 inch thick.
If you're interested in these pads, they sell these at TRS, which is Trinity Renewal Systems.
I'll put a link in the video description.
How much do they cost? I can't remember. Are we running an $80 special?
No. These
a Joe Wheeler special?
I'll put the details in the video description. But yeah, if you mention my name, they'll give you a discount, and you can get a 10-pack of them for $125, and they're usually $140. So you save a little money if you mention my name.
Yeah, they got the scrub strips. They just scrub stuff right out, and they do it fast.
Yeah. We don't clean the bonnet out at the customers' houses, but when we do it at home, it's always black water coming out of it because it absorbs so much stuff. So.
Yeah, they're nasty.
But we don't show that because it's inconvenient to try to make a clip just for that and edit it all together. So now he pre-sprayed about half this room, so the part behind him there hasn't been done yet. It's not sprayed. So. And we're using a neutral pH pre-spray.
Yeah, these carpets will be dry in under an hour. When it's hot like this, when it's hot like this outside, it's cool in here. They'll be dry in 20 minutes, like they never got wet. Clean and dry in about an hour. That's how we sell it.
All right, I'm gonna pause here, and we'll come back when we get a little further along. All right. Just try to show this in here. We're doing a couple bedrooms and a hallway also, but I'm not going to try to video in there.
It's just cleaning it up. If you're interested in the machine, there'll be a link in the video so you can get one from Amazon if you want to start a business somewhere in America. Or Europe, if they sell these out there.
Occasionally you can find them. I had a link for Amazon UK for a while, but then they keep disappearing. They don't have them in stock, so. But you can get them. Yeah, make sure you check the video description. I'll put links in there. We got Facebook groups and things that you can maybe want to join if you want to learn about doing this. Links to buy the equipment, things like that.
We're going to film most of our footage in here because there's other rooms we're cleaning.
I'm not going to video in.
Yeah,
I'm not going to try to video anywhere else. We'll just do this one room here. Now, if you don't know, this machine is an orbital. It's not just spinning around; it's also orbiting, like a random orbit sander kind of. So what it does is it cleans all sides of the carpet fiber on each pass, so it scrubs really good.
It orbits at 30 orbits per second.
Yeah.
That's how it works, 30 orbits a second. That's why it cleans so quick. It's very fast. And Trinity, if you're watching, our hats off to you. These are microfibers, they're my favorite go-to bonnet right now. I'm gonna order a whole bunch of them. They're nice. And you do not have to modify the pad driver to use them.
Well, this is a worn down. We have a used pad driver we've had that we used for about 3 years. The teeth on it aren't quite so sharp anymore. So if you use a brand new pad driver, it will tear the pads a little bit. So what you want to do is get a pad driver and rub it on the concrete or something and get it softened up a little bit.
When he says rub it, he means with your hand, not with the
machine.
Yeah,
you don't have to run the machine on the concrete.
It'll grind the teeth right off of it.
Yeah, if you do it, just do it for a second or two and then try it and see.
Hold on here, I got me a stubborn stain. Let's see if we can knock it out.
Take a peek outside. You can see one of the things we try to show people on the business, that little car out there, that's all you really need. That's about the smallest car you can get, and it's big enough you can go start doing a business. You don't have to have a big van and all that stuff if you don't want to.
Nope. That'll get her done.
Of course, we have to take turns riding in it.
Well, he's going to run on the roof on the way home.
Yeah. One of us will just run along on the outside.
The funny thing is, customers trip out. They're like, "You brought your business out here in that little car?" It's like, "Yep."
Yeah.
Because this machine goes right between the front seats and fits right on in there.
Why spend money on gas?
I say this, why buy a van when you ain't got it?
All right. He's got the other half of the room to do, but there's really nothing to see over there.
We'll show some because this is it.
Let me pause the camera. We got pre-spray over there, and we'll be getting that all set up, and I'll start back up. So stay tuned. All right, we just pre-sprayed, and we moved some chairs, which we'd never usually do.
Which we never, yeah.
Well, we always tell people we're not in the furniture moving business.
Oh, moving furniture is the worst.
Oh yeah, it gets kind of heavy, kind of quick.
We move couches. We got sliders. We just didn't bring them in.
Yeah. Well, we're old.
A bunch of them.
We're old men, and we like to try to find the easiest way to do anything we can.
You bet.
All right. I think you're about to get all the stains. There's a stain right there, yeah. I think you're about to get basically everything that's worth seeing.
There's some stains that may not come out, and I told the customer that, but a lot of this stuff will come out. A lot of it just spills and, just silly nonsense. It's not really a heavy stain.
Alright. I don't know how hot it got today, but it feels like it's over 90. And
it's hot.
Yeah, and they got the air conditioner going, so these carpets are really dry good. So yeah, when you're doing carpets, a lot of the problems you have is with slow dry times. If you leave a carpet very wet, as it dries, it's going to pull up all the dirt that's underneath the pad. It's going to bring it up to the top, and you're going to have a lot of unsightly stains when it finally dries. A lot of people you see videos on YouTube all the time, they make the carpet look great. What you don't see is they have to come back the next week and fix all the spots that come back. And that's just because it took too long to dry. So.
Yeah, and they got the carpet too wet while they're cleaning it.
Yeah. When you get to a stain, if you're using a wand, for instance, you have to scrub it out by shooting water into it and scrubbing the wand back and forth, and you end up not extracting all the water back out, and it's too wet. So we can avoid a lot of that, actually almost all of that, with the very low moisture cleaning.
Doing this stuff since like 1986. Believe me, we're older than we look, and we're pretty good at knowing what to do and what not to do. After several years of doing this, several decades, we actually started into the business in 78.
Yeah.
When we were kids, our dad's like, "You're going to go get it, you're going to do some stuff," and he got us working. Our dad was a doctor, and he made us get into the janitorial business.
Well, he was a doctor, and he had medical offices, and guess who gets to clean them every day after school? That's right.
That's how we got our start.
Yeah, this guy.
Now we owe him nothing but a gratitude and thanks. Just he got us so we were doing all this kind of stuff, and now we make money at it.
If we'd been smart, when we were in college, you would have cleaned carpets or something to make a little money. But no, we sat around and broke all the time.
Oh yeah, in case y'all don't know, we were in college.
It didn't take.
No. We were in college and we were in fraternities, and it's just like on TV.
Yeah, it was ridiculous. Well, I'm going to end the video pretty much. You've seen everything there really is to see. He's got a little bit over there to do, but there's nothing to see over there. So, and the carpets are coming out looking nice. They're probably about dry. So,
We're all started at that's pretty much low and dry.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that. And again, check the video description for more details and everything, and check all the links. Until next time, thanks for watching.